Stop watching hours of endless syntax tutorials without building anything. Today, you are going to write real functional Python code that interacts directly with your computer's hardware. In under 3 minutes, we are building a live System Health Monitor CLI tool from scratch. Open your editor and let's write code. First, we need to gather hardware metrics. In Python, variables are labeled containers that hold data. To pull system data, we import the shutil module, a built-in Python tool for file and storage operations. Write import shutil, next store disk metrics using unpacking, total used free equals shutil.disk usage /. Now calculate free space in gigabytes, free underscore GB equals free integer divided by 2 to the power of 30. When you print free underscore GB, Python queries your machine's physical storage and returns the precise free gigabytes available. Raw data isn't enough. Software needs to make decisions. This brings us to conditional logic, if and else statements. Let's set a safety threshold. If free underscore GB is less than 20, print warning storage critical. Else print system health optimal. If free memory falls under 20 gigabytes, Python triggers an instant visual alert. Otherwise, it confirms system health. This single logical branch is the core pattern behind every complex security tool and automated system. Right now, our script runs once and exits. To turn it into a real-time monitor, we need a loop and a delay, import time, and wrap your logic inside a while. True loop with time.sleep set to 3. By adding time.sleep 3, Python executes your system check continuously every 3 seconds. You've just constructed a lightweight background monitoring service. You've mastered variables, conditional evaluation, and infinite execution loops in one quick project. Try tweaking the threshold or monitoring CPU usage next. Subscribe to the Tech Blueprint to build functional tools, level up your developer stack, and build better software.